Good morning, I'm Sunetra Choudhury, political editor of the Hindustan Times, bringing you all that you need to know about Covid-19 on Monday, the 7th of September. The big story today is that India has now overtaken Brazil as the second worst hit country in the world with the number of cases. We now stand at 4.19 million cases as opposed to Brazil's 4.12. On Sunday, our total new cases came to more than 90,000 cases in a single day, which is the highest caseload of any given country. We are, of course, still much behind US, and the fatality rate of India, despite having such large number of cases, is 1.7% as opposed to 3% in both the US and Brazil. However, the number of cases continue to rise here in India. The doubling rate also, if we compare with Brazil, is alarming, with India having a doubling rate, that is the number of cases double in 32 days as opposed to Brazil's 70 days. These numbers now a major concern for authorities who are saying that they are going to increase testing in parts of the country. What is also of concern is the National Capital Region, where we saw the cases going down but have seen the cases rise yet again. On Sunday in Delhi, we saw 3,256 new cases just in the capital, and it goes back to the highs that we were seeing in June. It had gone down in the beginning of August to less than 1,000, but now more than 3,000 cases yet again. The big story that is also emerging from the rest of the country is that metro services are set to resume today. And with cases going up across the country, the big concern is, will it also see another jump in the number of cases owing to the metro? Well, authorities point out to the studies, and they've also said that what they've done is that they've worked on the air conditioning system within the metro so that the number and amount of fresh air that is pumped into the metro, the intensity of that has been increased. Also, ventilation systems are being looked at inside the metro so that people inside are not infected, or the chances of them getting infected aren't increased. What's also encouraging in all of this are the studies that are emerging of how safe it can be if everyone on the metro or in any enclosed space of travel are wearing masks. So the study, which is from September, showed that in a flight that had more than 300 people and 6 asymptomatic cases, the 6 asymptomatic patients only contracted and spread the virus to one person. That's because everybody was wearing a mask and only took it off for their meals. This is opposed to a bus in China, and that of course goes back to March. The study published earlier this month, the bus in China, which had one person infect 23 others because nobody on the bus at that time was wearing a mask. So the importance of wearing a mask perhaps becoming even more important now that we have the metro and other places unlocking and opening up. Well, those are the news updates for now. Keep tracking them on HindustanTimes.com.